A vehicle powered by a spark ignition engine follows a standard Otto cycle for which the heat capacity ratio is 1.4. The engine generates 70 kilowatt while consuming 10.3 kilogram per hour of fuel. The calorific value of fuel is 44,000 kilojoule per kilogram, and we need to find the compression ratio of this air standard Otto cycle. That too corrected to 2 decimal places. A spark ignition engine operates on a Otto cycle, right? Otto cycle. Let's see the PV diagram of the Otto cycle. So this cycle represents the PV diagram of an Otto cycle. The TDC is the top dead center and BDC is the bottom dead center for SI engine. SI engine, that is spark ignition engine. The air standard efficiency of this Otto cycle is given by eta is equal to 1 minus 1 upon alpha to the power of gamma minus 1. Here alpha is the compression ratio. Okay, I am taking alpha as compression ratio. Usually R is taken as compression ratio. So this is air standard efficiency of Otto cycle. Now the efficiency can also be written as the power output by the heat input, power output, and or divided by the heat input, heat in. So this efficiency can be calculated as the power output value is given in the problem, that is 70 kilowatt divided by the heat input. So how do we calculate the heat input? Is mass flow rate. So mass flow rate is 10.3 kilogram per hour. So we need to convert it into kilogram per second. So we will divide it by 3600. Now this is kilogram per second multiplied by the calorific value of the fuel, and that is 44,000 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, this is given in the problem. So the efficiency will come out to be 0.556. So the efficiency of air standard Otto cycle is 0.556. Now let this be equation number 2 and this be equation number 1. If we compare this equation number 1 and equation number 2, so we can write here 0.556 is equal to 1 minus 1 upon alpha, that we need to find, and gamma value is 1.4 minus 1. Okay, so from here if we calculate alpha, we get 7.61, and this is the desired result or the compression ratio that is required. Compression ratio of this Otto cycle is 7.61. And let's go back to the problem and fill in the blank. So the compression ratio is 7.61, that is corrected to 2 decimal places. For detailed information on Otto cycle, you can refer to the NPTEL course, lecture number 59, Otto cycle, on concepts of thermodynamics by Professor Suman Chakravarti of the Department of Mechanical Engineering at IIT Kharagpur.